Hey guys, welcome to Sabri Zone. In this video tutorial, I am going to finish some unfinished business from one of my video. It was how to use multiple authentication in Laravel 8 using middleware. So one of my subscribers says that admin should automatically go to admin dashboard route. So I decided to make a video on it. So I need to finish this. So we will go to our PHP Storm or whatever editor you are using. So in this case you can see that if you will go to auth folder, you will have a register.blade.php pre-built file by Laravel. So here you can see I have created a livewire component with the name of register form. So if we will go to livewire folder, you can see we have a file with the name of register form.blade.php. So as you can see that form should be submitted inside the component file. So we will go upside and you can see we have a component file here. Inside this component file you can see I am redirecting this file to dashboard. So if we will go to our web.php, you can see that dashboard is defined as this name. So as this form is submitting to the parent registration, as you can see here, so I need to configure the parent route. So I will type here name, and this time the name will be PA for parent dot dashboard. So this name should be copied, and one thing which I was taught you that I am using this parent dot. In the start of every route you have to write this parent dot. So we will go to our registration form component, and instead of redirect this, I will redirect something like this. So we will type here route. Inside this route, first of all parent dot, which we have to add, and then what we have created. So it is PA for parent and dashboard. Save this. Now we will go to our website again and click on register. Here the form is pre-filled using livewire. So I need to add date here, and obviously unique email address. This email address will be Mohsin Sabri something, and let's fill this form and submit it. Okay, now the form is successfully submitted and we are on the parent dashboard. To show you parent's dashboard, I will go to my parents folder, which is this one. Inside this dashboard, let's change the background color to blue. Save this and refresh this page. Great. As you can see, we are successfully landed on parents dashboard. So I think now this lesson is completed, and I will add this video inside a playlist. If this video helped you, subscribe me, like and share, and ask your friend to subscribe my channel. Thank you.